Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Infiniti Jx35. Stock number is 18G944A. Starting right away up front, you have front parking sensors. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Taking a look at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. We're going to take a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. The hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. And you have dual climate control as well. Automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Infiniti on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.